Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sarosh and I am a foundation level student at Rehan School, Airfield Campus, Islamabad. And today I am doing my TEDx talk and my topic is to learn is to be free by Shahmeen Akhtar. So let's start it. Today I will be sharing my reflection on the inspiring TEDx talk titled To Learn is to Be Free by Shahmeen Akhtar. The central idea of this talk is simple yet powerful. Learning gives us freedom. Education is not only about pass, passing exams or earning degrees, it is about opening our minds, understanding the world, and discovering our true potential. When we learn, we gain the ability to think independently and make better decisions in life. Shahmeen Akhtar explains that learning removes limitations. A person who continues to learn is never truly trapped by circumstances. Knowledge allows individual to grow beyond fear, ignorance, and social barrier. Education empowers people to express their ideas, solve problems, and contribute positivity to society. Another important message of this talk is that learning is a lifelong journey. It does not end after school or university. Every experience, every mistake, and every new skill teaches us something valuable. Watching this talk in both English and Urdu make the message even more meaningful because it shows that education connects people across language and cultures. This TEDx talk encourages us to stay and never stop asking questions. Freedom is not physical; it is in intellectual and emotional. In conclusion, to learn it is truly to be free. Let us promise ourselves to keep learning, keep growing, and keep expanding horizons because knowledge is the key that opens the doors to a better future. So, viewers, this is my TEDx talk. Hope so you like it. Meet you in next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda Hafiz.